Playing chords on piano can be difficult and frustrating sometimes. Your hand and wrist can feel tense, clumsy, and uncoordinated, like you're not even in control of your own fingers. If you have ever felt like this, then keep watching. This video will really help fix the problem. In this video, I'm going to show you a series of 4 exercises that will really help increase your coordination and strength and really help you feel in control when you're playing chords on piano. Hey, I'm Ryan from simplybetterpiano.com, and if you want to get better at playing chords on piano, maybe you're in a band or you're on a worship team at church, or maybe you're a singer-songwriter, then I have something I want to give you. It's my Quick Start Chord Guide. It's a free PDF download that has step-by-step instructions for how to play the 5 most common types of chords on piano. It has full-color illustrations and is really easy to understand. And you can get it totally for free at simplybetterpiano.com/guide. If you want to get better at playing chords, go download it, check it out. It'll really help you. The content for this video is actually taken from my new online course, Worship Piano Basics, and I'm going to talk more about that course at the end of the video. These exercises I'm about to show you are meant to be practiced regularly. You will want to practice these exercises for 5 to 10 minutes a day for at least 5 days a week. If you do that for about 3 to 4 weeks, you'll really start to see improvement. And remember, the more you practice these exercises, the faster you will improve. All right, we're going to start with exercise number 1. Let's dive in. First exercise is 1-3 up and down the keyboard. Okay, 1-3, what's that is referring to is your 1 finger and your 3 finger. Let me just demonstrate what this is going to look like. You're going to put your 1 finger on C, the C that's close to the middle of the keyboard. In fact, we call that middle C. C, and that's right below the 2 black keys. So if you find 2 black keys closest to the middle of your keyboard, find the white key right below them. That is C. Then we're going to skip a white key and play the next white key with your 3 finger. So 1 finger on C, 3 finger on E. And you're going to play them one after the other, 1, 3, and then together. And then you're going to move up a white key. So start with your 1 finger on D this time. Skip a white key, play the next white key with your 3 finger, in this case F, and then together, then move up, 1, 3, together, move up. 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 1, 3, together. And once you get up to that top C with your thumb, you can go ahead and stop. If you'd like to keep going up your keyboard, you can, but just go that far at least. Now let's take a look at it for the left hand. So start with your 1 finger on that C again, beneath the 2 black keys, closest to the middle of your keyboard, and then skip a white key, go down to A in this case with your 3 finger, and then we'll move all the way down the keyboard. It'll look just like this. 1, 3, together, move down. 1, 3, together, move down. A couple more, here we go. 1, 3, together, and now down to C. 1, 3, together. And once again, just start on that C and move all the way down to the next C with your thumb. And while you do these exercises, remember to stay nice and relaxed in your wrist and hand. Keep nice curved fingers as you play this exercise. All right, let's look at exercise number 2. It is similar, but this time we're going to be going from 1 finger to 5 finger. Let me show you. I'm going to put my right hand 1 finger back on middle C, just like that. And this time, instead of going up to E, I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3 black keys and go to G with my 5 finger. And G, if you remember, is in the 3 black key group right in between those bottom 2 black keys. So I have 1 on C, 5 on G. And when I'm playing 5 finger, the pinky is a pretty weak finger. And you're going to be tempted to put your whole finger down on the key like that, flat on the key. But what you want to do is keep it nice and curved, playing right on the tip. Okay, maybe on the outside of the tip, just like that. But don't let yourself go all the way down onto the key like that. All right, so I'm going to do 1, 5 together, just like that, and then move up as before. 1, 5 together, move up. 1, 5 together, move up. 1, 5 together, move up. 1, 5, together, move up, keep it nice and relaxed. Together, move up, keep those fingers nice and curved. Together and move up. 1, 5, together. And we've gone from the middle C up to the next C up here. And like I said, you can keep going if you want, but just do at least that far. All right, let me demonstrate the left hand now. One finger back on middle C. 1, we're going to skip three white keys. 1, 2, 3. Play the next white key with pinky, 5 finger. Here we go. 1, 5, together, move down. 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 1, 5, together. And now we've gone from middle C down to the next C with our left hand thumb. All right, let's take a look at exercise 3. This time we're going to be using our 3 and 5 fingers. This one can feel really awkward at first, but just keep going, keep it nice and relaxed, and you'll get the coordination and the strength built up over time. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to do 3 finger on C, skip a white key, and place 5 finger on E, the next white key up. So it's going to look like this. 3, 5, together, and then move up. 3, 5, together, 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 keep it nice and relaxed. 3, 5, together, move up. 3, 5, together, move up. 3, 5, together. And we've arrived at the C up here, so we're going to go ahead and stop and do the left hand now. 3, 5, together, move down. 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 Together, one more, here we go. 3, 5, together. All right, just one more exercise in this keyboard workout. This is going to be 1, 3, 5 up and down the keyboard. Okay, so we're going to be playing 3 notes this time. So this might feel really awkward, like I said, but just keep trying it, keep staying relaxed, and over time you'll notice it gets easier and easier. Okay, let's try with the right hand, putting 1 finger on middle C, like we did before, but this time we're going to go 1, 3, 5, skipping notes, skipping white keys in between each one of those keys that we play. So 1, 3, 5, the first one's going to be on C, E, G, and then staying nice and relaxed, we're going to play all 3 of them together, just like that. Your other 2 fingers might feel kind of like awkward and they're hanging out, but just keep them nice and relaxed and just really focus on playing those 1, 3, and 5 fingers on those keys. Then we're going to move up, 1, 3, 5, then together, nice and relaxed, move up, 1, 3, 5, together, then move up, 1, 3, 5, together, move up, 1, 3, 5, together, then move up, 1, 3, 5, together, then move up, 1, 3, 5, together, here we go, last one, 1, 3, 5, together. Okay, take a deep breath. That can be really awkward and really difficult at first, I know that, but just stay relaxed, keep trying it, and you'll get better and better. Let's try the left hand now. 1, 3, 5, together, nice and relaxed, move down. 1, 3, 5, together, move down. 1, 3, 5, together, move down. 1, 3, 5, together, move down. 1, 3, 5. This video was taken from my brand new course, Worship Piano Basics, that I'm going to be launching next week. And if you have already downloaded the Quick Start Chord Guide or any of my other free guides, I will be sending you an email letting you know when it's available. And if you haven't gotten the Quick Start Chord Guide, check it out. It's really helpful and it's totally free. Go to simplybetterpiano.com/guide to get it. And try these hand exercises out and leave me a comment and let me know if they're helpful. Otherwise, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.